Hey everyone, let's unbox these Beats Studio Buds. I just got them off Amazon in the color black, but they have many other colors as well, including red, blue. And this one is just the Studio Buds. It does not come with the power adapter, but you can purchase that one as well. And get this, their battery life is incredible. Each earbud has up to 8 hours of listening time, and you can go up to 24 hours if you're using the charging case. So check this out. All you gotta do is peel this back and you have your brand new Beats. You guys, it is so cute. Check it out, and I'm gonna open it here for you guys so you can see both the earbuds in there. I like how comfortable they are. They're so small, it barely feels like anything's in your ear. And of course you got that silicone tip, which is one of my favorites, and they just snap right back into place. This is incredible. And of course I got the fast fuel, which 5 minutes charges up to 1 hour. So go check this out on Amazon. I definitely recommend it.